2005 Dodge Magnum. I'm gonna show you how to replace your actuator pin. I was having no start conditions because the actuator pin broke, as you can see here. So, in case you're stranded, I'm gonna show you a trick to get you started. Pop your hood, open your fuse box, and take this fuse out here. You're gonna tap into pins 30 and 87. So this is 30 and this is 87. Make sure your car is in the on position and tap into those, and you should be getting her started. Alright, so once you started, you'll be able to get to where you gotta go. Well, I'm gonna show you how to access this actuator pin. I lost that footage too. So I'm gonna have this cover piece here. Take this off. It's gonna be a Phillips here. And then you're gonna have here, here, and there's another one here as well. Take those off, and then you'll be able to remove this cover. Pull your steering wheel out. You can take that out. For this lower cover here, you're gonna remove. Some cars have a bolt here and another one in this area, so here and here, but I didn't have either. Mine was clipped. So you just pull it out and you'll be good. And then there's 3 8mm bolts. 1, 2, and then this one under here. Right there. So forgot. One more bolt under here. I forgot to even mention that, but take that one out, and then you'll be good to go for the next thing. Pushing this out. So with the harnesses disconnected it. The way you do it, you push this pin over, press this button there, push it back. This one. Press this one, push it back, and with the cable, with the key in, you're going to put it on. And when you put it on, you're going to push this tab right here, and it should come out like that. Okay, you can see right here, the actuator pin is broken. So I'm going to go pick up another one. But the way you get this off is this one screw right here. I can't tell you the size because I don't know it for sure. But it is a torque screw. Boom. I'm going to take it out there. These 2 clips are going to be on it. Just push one of them and it'll give you access to it to see it. And next, I'm going to take this one out and that one out, and it's Phillips, and it'll open up. You'll be able to take the whole thing out. Once you do that, you're looking like this somewhat. You gotta move this back and take the whole thing off. So last 2 bolts, and then take the pin out, and there she is. So you push in place, lift up, take it out, put your new pin in, and reverse the steps. So I'm gonna do that now, but that's how you get to it. Take it out, you do everything I just did backwards and put it back together, and you should be good to go.